Hey, how's it going, guys? Assad here, and you're gonna learn about in this video is copy within method in the array constructor. So what we're gonna do is use the var keyword to create an array. Name it as array1, maybe like that, and we will put some bunch of string. So 1 A B comma C comma D, what the heck, comma D comma E. And what we're gonna do, and we will log it on a console, use that type that array1, and now we're gonna do dot copy within method. When we do that, inside that we'll pass 0 comma 3 comma 4 and log it on a console another. First let me explain this. What it gonna do is in the 3, from the 3 and to up to 4, what it gonna do is take that and into the 0th number, this one, and it gonna paste on those. So the answer will be D, B, C, D, E. So this is what it does. And now what we're gonna do is 1 to 3. So array1 dot copy within and 1 comma 3. When we do that, it will be, because it already changed, so it will be DDEDE. So let me show you. See, DDEDE. So that's it for today's video, guys. Like, share, subscribe, and see you guys in the next tutorial.